Welcome back. Let's talk about banks XLF, which I alerted today. So we got I think it was 40, 41 call or 40 call this week expiration. So keep in mind, very, very high risk. And obviously, we're looking at a daily setup, so even more riskier because basically our stop loss is a lot lower. And keep in mind that I also want to talk about PayPal, Apple. So basically, I want to talk about Apple and XLF. But overall, banks are looking very, very bullish. As I said, we closed above resistance, and look at this volume. Okay, we have some very, very nice volume. That shows that a lot of people are in. Okay, people are buying in at this breakout, and which it just gives us more confirmation that we're gonna be breaking out. Now right over here, we entered in right over here. So it's not too late to enter unless we gap up. The contracts are at 0% right now. So let's take a look at our price targets. As you can see, around this 40.60 area, but even all-time highs is very, very possible. I'll show you guys an example of a downtrend breakout, which was MU. So MU is an example of kind of like a downtrend breakout, but again, XLF is a lot smaller, obviously, but this volume confirmation is very nice. Inside XLF, we have stocks like Bank of America, we have stocks like Wells Fargo, all about to hit resistance and all breaking out. We also have stocks like Citigroup. So if you don't gap up, I'll be looking to actually buy in more. Now keep in mind, these are very, very high risk. That Apple play that I alerted puts is down over 60% already. And keep in mind, I'm kind of hedging my Apple calls with those bank calls. So it's really like a low position because again, we're grabbing weeklies. So if you want to be grabbing longer expirations, you can, but this is more of I didn't want to trade this week, but I'm just going to grab weeklies and try to play and hedge against if the market does go up tomorrow. We still have our XLF calls. If the market goes down tomorrow, we have our Apple puts, which is still looking very, very nice for a ABC correction. So overall, that is it. Essentially, our Apple puts should I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to minus 100%. But again, we have those XLF calls to hedge against our loss. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Banks are looking juicy. We talked about this on the live stream. Make sure to subscribe with the notifications on because I will be going live, and we actually have FOMC minutes tomorrow. So it'll be very, very interesting because I will be going live at that time. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you guys tomorrow at Market Open when I do go live.